Alright guys, we're in this trek into DIY tech, we're going to revisit something we did with the underwater thruster a couple years ago now. It's taken a while to get back to this, but here we are. So the last time we really didn't have anything, so we were looking at the waveform. We weren't looking at the voltage and the amperage when this thing was running. So we're going to recreate that same experiment. I'll put I'll go ahead and put the video in here. Either a link or something above so you can click on and see the original experiment, and we'll also look at the ROV that this thruster is going into. So let's go ahead and look at the stuff we put together here. So the difference in this setup is going to be we're going to use this this meter here to check the amperage as we're running. It's not the most accurate thing in the world, but this is what we have. We don't have a budget for this channel, so there it is. We're gonna hook this up in line with the battery and the thruster, and we're gonna get the measurements there. Also, miracle of miracles, I found some of the original components from that we had used, and so there's the mounting for that. We'll show you how that goes in. But yeah, we're gonna use as many of the original parts as we can. Yes, who knew I had a bin full of PVC joints. The donor for the thrusters today, because we don't have multiple sets of these, unless you go in the store, where these are going to be available in the store soon for you guys to pick up. But we're going to pull these thrusters back off of here. This is the original thruster that was used in that first video. So we're going to put that one back in there. Sorry, dude. So that's what we're going to do. Next thing is to reconstruct the setup over there. So here we go. All right, let's see here. We've got about 12.36 volts. So we're going to check that on the meter. And so, like Ronald Reagan said, right, trust but verify. So we're going to check that with the meter, and the meter is telling us 12.39. That is close enough. And so we're going to continue with the test here. So we're going to turn on our scale here, see what the scale says. Okay, so 0, we've zeroed it out. Next time we'll do this inside because the glare is horrible. You can almost see the yeah. So we're gonna get some shade over here. All right, we've had to set up the shade so we can do this. I'm gonna tear this out so it zeroes out. Okay, good. See the wave on there, kind of. And here we are. Oh, that looks really good. All right, so we're gonna go here. Hopefully we don't blow up the battery, because we're gonna just crank it up here and turning this up. That's the first stop on there. I don't think the water's gonna come out of the bucket. We've got ounces. We're gonna change this to pounds here. Kilograms. Wow, 2 pounds. You can see the waves gotten bigger there. We're about to. We are at 11.6 volts. We're gonna crank it up. Let's see if we can max this out. All right, that's the max. That's the max from that guy. Look at that wave. Yeah, we're at max signal right here. The battery looks like it's okay still. and that is at that max push. We are doing 23.11 amps. We dipped down to below 11 volts, and it's holding steady. So that means that, yeah, that's our saturated right there. Let me. Yeah, the battery's. Nah, the battery's okay. It's not getting warm yet. And we are hitting. This is not right. Let me set this up. I don't think that measurement is correct. We're gonna bring this down. We're gonna try to locate this better here, because that scale is on the edge there. Let's see if we can turn it like it is in the original video. Some of you are screaming at the screen. I know, because the original video has us in a different. So here we go. I think this is how it was in the original video. Here we go, cranking it up. Oh, the cord is pulling on the cord. Okay, I see what's going on. Pulling on the ESC cord. I'm gonna release this ESC from the tape here. Oh yeah, there you go. All right, here we go. Last test, because I feel the ESC is warming up. Yeah, ESC is a little toasty here. We're hitting the side of the bucket. Now we're hitting the side of the bucket. No. Yeah, so there you go. That's gonna out. I'm about to burn that ESC up. We're gonna have to get bigger ESCs. I think we have 25. It's saying 22 amps, and that's a 20 amp ESC, so yeah. There you go, that's why. But anyway, there you go. Okay, so now you see that thing is drawing more than the 20 amp ESC that I have on there. We're gonna have to probably upgrade the ESCs in the aquatic rover to something higher than that, 25, 30 amp ESCs. We're gonna find some bi-directional ones anyway. But hey, I hope that helps you guys out there as you're using these thrusters in your own projects. Hey, as always, appreciate the time you spend with me, and we'll see you in the next video.